बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा, अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart.
The Thirsty Deer. In a green jungle lived a graceful deer. He often admired his long, shiny horns and mocked his thin legs. "Why did God make my legs so weak?" he often said. One hot afternoon, he went to a pond to drink water. He saw his reflection and once again admired his beauty. But suddenly, he heard a roar. A lion was charging towards him. Terrified, he started running. His legs carried him swiftly through the forest, but his horns got tangled in thick branches. The lion came closer and caught him. With his last breath, the deer whispered, "My legs that I insulted tried to save me, but my horns that I loved became my trap." Moral: never be proud of your looks. Value what truly helps you in difficult times.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.